my boss the truth.
What's the problem now?
Tell my boss you're not pregnant.
What's the problem? See, if anything happens to my marriage. See, that was not safe. Stay away from my marriage. Stay away from my marriage.
I've told you, tell your boss you're not pregnant. Tell my... Tell my boss that you're not pregnant.
I'll give you any amount you want. I'm going to give you those millions. Oh, please, don't do this one, please. Please.
How much do you want to pay?
I'll give you 5 million.
Just tell me what I do.
Please don't pause this one, eh? My marriage is at stake, please. My marriage is at stake, don't pause this
For
one.
how long will you keep deceiving my boss? Tell me, for how long? For how long? Eh? For how long do you want to keep deceiving me? Eh? Tell me today that you're not pregnant.
See, if you try me, eh? I'm going to give you.
Babe, you're here.
Yes, I'm here.
Mr. Nelson,
Sir,
where are the balloons I gave you?
sir, ask your wife.
What do you mean?
Sir, I said, ask.
He said, where are the balloons I gave you? I wanted to use them for something in the kitchen.
Madam, where is my yoga balloon?
Are you asking? Are you stupid? Are you crazy? Babe, see, I don't think Nelson needs to stay with us again. The boys need to leave. He needs to leave. I'm not comfortable in.
What has Nelson got to... So my boy in the office, I tell him to leave. Does he even live with us?
He's disrespecting me. He should go. He should stop coming to our house. I don't want
Listen,
him.
I don't want to talk. Babe, just go inside the house. Give me the balloons.
The balloons, right? That's the balloon. So I see the balloon.
Nelson has finished.
I've told you since. Your wife is not pregnant. I don't know why she has been deceiving you.
You were never pregnant. I'm going to talk to me. So you were never pregnant?
I'm pregnant. I was pregnant, but I don't know what happened to my pregnancy. I think I lost it.
So balloons has been your pregnancy? You finished me.
Sorry.
You finished. You've ended my life.
Hey!
So I got married to you
And
and you be lying to me? What will I tell my parents?
we can talk about.
What will I tell my friends?
Talk about this and scope. Let's settle this. We can adopt. You don't need to. We can adopt. You don't need to be harsh on your wife. I'm sorry. Well, mistake.
Listen to me. Done with this marriage. Just like that.
Just like that. Hey! We don't do it. I don't want.
I told you. This lady has not been pregnant. She has been deceiving you all this while. I'm sorry.